Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and this is Triple Play Saturday round 3, and whatever you do, don't sleep on this watch face. Let's kick this off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I got an awesome watch face that I told you do not sleep on. This one is nice. Now the name of it is called Animated Watch Face with your name. Yes, you can get your name put in. You can't do it yourself. You have to email the developer your name, and he's going to send you a watch face code, and you're good to go. Very simple, trustworthy. You see what happened here, right? Now, this watch face is nice. Even in the always on mode, you're going to get a traditional look. It's not going to look like this. You're going to get a traditional watch face. But when the watch face is on, here is where you're able to have fun. As you can see, my name is scrolling across the watch and it says Huck's World. It's got an analog watch face look. If you look, the second hand, as it goes around, it passes the numbers. I thought that was very unique as well. You come down, you get a PM stamp along with your digital time and your battery percentage. But this watch face has 16 shortcuts. I didn't go through all of them, but I could tap anywhere on the watch and it's definitely going to bring up a shortcut. Let me go here, email, tap here. Let's see what it brings. This is not bad. Tap in the middle. I'm liking this watch face, guys. What do you think? This is nice. It says 16 different shortcuts. Give it a try, guys. All right, you all, that's going to be it for Triple Play Saturday round 3. I hope you enjoyed all the rounds. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you share with other people this video. And I know it's the weekend. Have fun, be safe, and enjoy yourself. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.